So Adam, you want to go to Vietnam or Korea sometime soon, or you just want to hang out here for a lot longer?
I feel like this is a really nice spot.
It's a good spot? Okay. Carrying a baby. It just feels like a little Dorito baby that I'm holding on to. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. It's gonna cry on the plane the whole time. Wow, I didn't realize how cool I looked. You guys made it.
Why are you bag pregnant?
Hmm?
Why are you bag pregnant?
Because that's my child.
Okay.
Little Doritos in there.
Okay.
We're gonna get some currency.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I put the expensive one on the.
Oh wow, what is this, like Big Salt Lake?
That's my mom.
Hey Bill.
Find clams there, yeah. I think Janelle wants to plant.
What is all this?
This mud flats.
Oh, just mud flats.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's where Janelle can go get
interesting. That looks really cool on camera.
Yeah.
Wow. Especially with the filter of the glass being blue or green. You guys moved to like another Salt Lake, basically.
Yes, right.
Netflix lady.
No, I'm not sure, but it's pretty up there. Partly because she's so cute. She's so cute. Let me show you.
I brought my camera.
Is it like soup dumplings or what?
No, it's just like, well, she makes dumplings too. She makes mandu. But look how cute she is. She's like so well known, and she still like stops to like to pose for you.
So she's a celebrity.
Yeah. So she's known for her hand-pulled noodle soup, and how like she purposely doesn't make the noodles like perfect, which is actually to advantage because it makes it taste better.
It's better if it's not perfect.
Yeah.
Well, like.
But it's like you can't do that if you're stupid. Like it's perfectly imperfect. So it's like it's very simple, but it's like, you know, it's like when you can make food this simple but so good. It's like you got talent.
Sometimes less is more.
Yeah. So she makes this, but it's all the same dough. So this is one of the set menu.
Are we going back
like
there?
7 menus in the area, but we don't have to eat just this. Like there's a lot. I probably won't eat this again. I'll probably try something else because it's just lines of food.
So I could see her if I wanted to. Is there a long wait or no?
We got lucky. Usually it's long. So, but it's like.
Oh, there she is on Netflix.
There. It's like, see, there's like just so much food, and it's just like rows of food.
It's a lot of food.
So I want to try like a mung bean pancake. It's like thick. It was also on the Netflix. So
Oh, really? Seven floors underneath?
Yeah.
Oh, this is their second escalator.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably be at 5 at the top of this one at least.
It's still going up.
Wow.
Seoul is like you're walking on top. There's like a community underneath.
Yeah.
It's like they dug up the whole city and built something under. Yeah.
Well, they have a lot of room, right? You saw all the mountains and stuff. But
It's only like 4 hours, 5 hours drive to the borders.
yeah, that's true.
There's a lot of people. It's like 19 billion.
Seoul is really
No, 9 billion.
19 billion, huh? That's
Still,
impressive.
9 billion is still impressive.
Wait, now it can't be 9 billion because there's not 9 billion people on the planet.
Then they did it wrong on the flight, but it's
Did they say billion on the flight? Yeah, there's only like 7 point something billion people in the world, so maybe maybe there's like million was what they're. Can't be 900 million because that's like almost a seventh of the world's population, right? Oh, I need my my little ticket again. My ticket. After being told not to lose my ticket. You had to rescue me.
all the love in my heart.
You should have taken
No, it's this little hole.
taken a picture of him looking for that ticket.
Yeah, disassembling everything in the crowded subway.
First experience in Korea.
Yeah.
You lost the ticket.
I know, right? The one thing I was told not to lose.
The exits here are numbered. Like just, if you're using a train and your neighbor tells you exit whatever, then you just follow. You can go out here. I think Rodel is something there.
Ah. Yeah?
Are you just recording constantly?
Just whatever. I'll
Okay.
just delete what I don't need or.
I was gonna say, like, hope you got a lot of cards.
So what I do is I plug it in at night with the camera, and it'll automatically through Wi-Fi it'll go up to the cloud. It's unlimited cloud storage, and then just format the card in the morning.
You have unlimited cloud storage through what?
GoPro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like you pay $60 a year maybe, or it's less than that maybe. I got it free for the first year with my camera.
6:45 arrival. So let's do this first. Let's get you bus cards.
Bus cards? Okay, let's get bus cards. Ooh. Is that just a sweet potato on a cold bed of coals?
It's hot.
Wow.
I give you this and you don't like it.
Yeah. That's interesting. It's just a sweet potato on some hot rocks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jem used to always bring
Yeah.
Uba.
Oh, hey, let's just check it out. What's in here? They always got the coolest stuff. It looks pretty normal so far. Oh, it's like the, oh, there we go, Pringles. These are normal looking. Yeah, the Pringles aren't crazy. I was looking for some crazy Pringles.
I got you this already.
Oh, what is that one? Beef and cheese jerky? That's wild.
Yeah, I got you that, so don't get it.
Some squid. All the good stuff. What is that?
Banana milk. I like
How
it.
do you know?
Because I just know.
Oh, I was gonna say, how do you know? It was very surprising that you just knew.
You don't get black sesame.
Oh, look at this. Anything you want on a stick.
I bought one already. I bought that one. The second to the right one, I bought that for you.
Yeah? That one looks good. Do you have to microwave it or
I
something?
don't know.
I have to get a bus ticket. I'm in the way with my massive backpack. Did you get a bus ticket yet?
Yes.
I need to get one. Thank you. Oh, there you go. So it's the bus card, huh?
Who said that? Jet wants face mask.
I have face masks. I have a lot.
No, face mask is in face.
Oh, okay. Should I not lose this one either?
Don't lose that.
Don't lose this one?
That's your bus pass.
Okay.
That's
I'll try
your-
not to lose it.
If you use the transportation, public transportation, then you need that.
Okay. Don't lose it.
Yep, and you gotta be quick when you're riding the bus. The bus don't wait.
Oh,
It
yeah.
doesn't wait.
But that train was early, like a lot of minutes
Yeah,
early.
but it doesn't. I left right on the dot.
Right on the dot.
It like just waits a little bit anyways.
The train station. That looks good. I'm actually really hungry.
We're
A
gonna
truffle
wait a little
donut. Okay. Wonder what a truffle donut. I don't know if I would like that. It's like a savory of a truffle meets sweet.